Hello and welcome back to my channel, Call Keith's Classroom. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can translate phrases or sentences or context, doesn't matter. If it's written in a foreign language and you don't understand what it means, Google Translator makes a really wonderful translator. It's free. So we're going to use my Firefox browser here to get to an area right here. I cannot read this because I'm in America and I only know English. So I have got this Google Translator up here, which I'm going to, let's see here. So if you up in the address bar, we talked about this just a little bit ago. The address bar is at the top of your screen. It's HTTPS. It doesn't matter whether you're using Google Chrome or whether you're using Edge browser or whether you're using Firefox. And this is Firefox browser. Up in the address bar, you can type in. You don't even have to type in HTTP:// anymore. You don't even have to type that in. All you need to type in is translate.google.com and it will bring you here to the translator. So I'm using this YouTube video that I found that's in a foreign language, and so you need to copy this address, and to copy you left click and hold your mouse arrow, and when you drag it across the screen like that, it highlights things. Now you can do it from the beginning, which is up here like I just did. Left click and hold your mouse arrow down and drag it across what you want to highlight. Okay? Or you can do it the other way around. You can go to the very end holding your left mouse button down and you can go backwards. Either way it highlights the whole thing. Now I have my left mouse button held down. I'm going to let go of it. You see how it keeps that highlight there? Okay, so that's called highlighting. And so you move your mouse arrow to it. Don't click it yet. Don't click it. If you right click your mouse arrow, it'll give you a pop-up box giving you choices. We want to left click on copy. Now there's another way you can do that. I'm going to open up Notepad here just so that you can see. If we right click the mouse in Notepad, we get a pop-up box and we have a choice of paste. So if we left clicked on paste, what we copied down here in this video would then show up in Notepad or whatever we were trying to get it into. I want to show you another way of doing this. We're going to erase this. Okay. We're going to go back to this. Okay. We're going to highlight it again by left clicking the mouse and dragging it across whatever you want to copy, and when you get to the end, let go of your mouse. Now let's not use the mouse to copy or paste. Let's use the keyboard. So the keyboard, hold down the control key and press the C. The letter C is in Charlie. C. So now we copied that to the mouse's memory, and now we're going to open up. We're using an example of Notepad, and we want to paste it into Notepad, but we don't want to use the mouse to do it. We want to use the keyboard to do it. You hold down the control key again, which is bottom left hand corner of your keyboard, and hold it down and press the letter V as in victory. It's just to the right of the letter C. And see, now you can let it go of the keys and it appears magically on your screen. So Control C is copy, Control V as in victory is paste. Why, you might be thinking, why didn't they use the letter P for paste? And that's because P was taken for print. Okay, so we're going to close this. We're not going to save it because we don't need it anymore. We're going back to this, okay? So we want to make sure that we copy this. We make sure it's copied. We're going to use the mouse again, right click, opens a pop-up box with choices. we want to left click copy. Okay. Now we're going to go back up here to this tab, Google Translator, and we're going to paste what we just copied into this box on the left. Right click, opens a pop-up box, left click on paste. See how it appears? Okay, so we're going to erase this. Now bear with me a minute. Let's say we did this, we did the copy with Control C. Now we want to use the keyboard Control V. Hold down the Control button, bottom left hand side, and press the letter V. And see, it appears. Now, it will tell you what language this is, because by looking at it, I had no idea. It's Spanish. Spanish was detected. Now, in this side here is the Spanish words, and on this side here is English. Of course, if you're trying to, make it Spanish or Arabic or whatever, they've got lots of choices in here. I mean, you name it, they got it. I'm telling you. So, but we want English. Now, I'll have you listen to this. When we press on listen, it will read this to you in Spanish. Listen.
Baruch Adonai, adoración instrumental profética de violín de guerra, música de fondo para orar.
Okay, there you go. That's Spanish. Now, if you come over here to the English, it will read it to you in English.
Baruch Adonai, war fiddle prophetic instrumental worship, background music for prayer.
See? Isn't that cool? That is translate.google.com. And you can just put it up here in the address bar. Like I said, you don't need to type in HTTP anymore. Used to have to do that, but not anymore. Just put in translate.google.com, regardless of what browser you're using. I'm using Firefox, but you don't need to use Firefox. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Edge, it doesn't matter. Just type in translate.google.com, and then this, let's see, I haven't opened any of this or haven't done any of this, so I can't read any of this because I don't know anything about Spanish. So we're going to go, we'll start up here at the beginning, okay? So I'm going to left click and hold the left mouse button down, and I'm dragging it, I'm moving it, in other words dragging it across what I want to translate, right? I'm holding the left mouse button down, and now I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. Now everything remains highlighted, okay? Now I'm going to use the mouse to do this. I'm going to right click the mouse, which gives me a choice of copy, and I'm going to left click the mouse on copy, okay? Now it's in the mouse's memory. We're going to go up here to Google Translate. We're going to come here and we're going to erase this because we don't need it there no more. And we're going to right click the mouse and we're going to left click on paste. Now this is using the mouse to do this with. Left click on paste. There it is. See, it all appears there, and there it is in English. Now here we'll go ahead. We'll listen to it in Spanish.
Bienvenido a Violín y Worship, música instrumental para orar y adorar, manos en oración, chispas. Sumérgete en una atmósfera celestial con nuestra selección de adoración instrumental de violín, diseñada especialmente para acompañarte en momentos de oración, meditación, intercesión, relajación, estudio y descanso. Nuestra misión es crear un espacio sonoro que te ayude a conectar con Dios, fortalecer tu espíritu y llenarte de paz profunda. Cada melodía ha sido cuidadosamente interpretada para inspirar, elevar tu alma y permitirte sentir la presencia y el amor de nuestro amado Padre Celestial.
Okay, so here is, and here is what that lady said in English.
Welcome to Violin and Worship, instrumental music for prayer and worship. Folded hands, sparkles. Immerse yourself in a heavenly atmosphere with our selection of violin instrumental worship music, specially designed to accompany you in moments of prayer, meditation, intercession, relaxation, study, and rest. Our mission is to create a sonic space that helps you connect with God, strengthen your spirit, and fill you with deep peace. Each melody has been carefully interpreted to inspire, uplift your soul, and allow you to feel the presence and love of our beloved Heavenly Father.
There you go. And I kind of laughed when it came up here because it read the praying hands and the sparkle like it was a word, but really it wasn't, you know. But anyway, that's why I laughed. So there you go. Google Translate, translate.google.com, and that is for translating stuff that you run across that you don't know. You want to know what it says and you don't know. I just happened to stumble across this video here. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.